In the court, C.T. Ravi has said that he has detailed out how he has been taken from one station to another throughout the night and that the police hit him on the head as well. Moreover, his lawyer has argued that as the incident took place in the Vidhan Sabha or in the house, the permission of the speaker should have been taken before arresting the MLC. Since the speaker has not given any ruling against Ravi, he should be granted bail due to all these issues. At around 3 a.m. is the time when the police brought C.T. Ravi to the sub-division officer's office at the Ramadurga police station. Reports indicate that Ravi's head was banded during the brief stop in Ramadurga. At approximately 3:30 a.m., Ravi staged a dharna in the middle of the road alleging that there was an intention to murder him.
ಸುಮಾರು 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಖಾನಾಪುರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಮೊಕದ್ದಮೆ ದಾಖಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದೂರನ್ನು ಗಂಟೆಗಟ್ಟಲೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ದಲೇನೆ ನಾನು 0 FIR ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದೂರನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿಗೋ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ಸಂಚು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಪಾಯ ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಹೊತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಸುದ್ದಿ ಹಬ್ಬಿಸಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಚು ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ನಾನು ಸಭಾಪತಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ದೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹತ್ತತ್ರ 3:45 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಏನು ದೂರಿದೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೀನಾಯವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳ್ಕರ್, DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ತಂಡವೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿಗೂಢವಾಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರೋ ರೀತಿ ಅನುಮಾನ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಡೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನುಮಾನಾಸ್ಪದವಾಗಿದೆ ಅವರು ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೀತಿ. ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದವನು ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ದೂರಿಗೆ 0 FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಾಮೇಷ ಎಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಅವರು ತುರ್ತು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯ ಕಾಲಘಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
Party MLC C.T. Ravi was arrested last evening over allegation that he had made obscene comments against Karnataka Minister Lakshmi Hebbalkar.
Raj in Karnataka. In the beginning of the session, the lathi charge on the farmer-oriented Panchim Sali, there was bloodshed, and now they have arrested C.T. Ravi without any notice and without the permission of the chairperson of the Vidhana Parishad and without inquiring into it. When there was a slogan Pakistan Zindabad, they never arrested anybody. They took time for FSL report for 2 months and then arrested. Here nothing, no procedure has been done, arrested. Whole night he has been in the jeep roaming from this police station to that police station, in which police manual or rules it has been written that you should take the arrested person all over the town in different police stations. It's a harassment. Therefore, there is a police Raj in Karnataka. Inquiry should be done and सत्य बाहर आना चाहिए और उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होना चाहिए. ये बिना कार्रवाई अरेस्ट करना एक पुलिस राज का संकेत है. आजकल पुलिस का बहुत गलत इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. विरोध पक्ष के ऊपर कम से कम 10 SIT हो गया है और एक तरीके से दमनकारी, जो डराना और एक डिक्टेटरशिप का एटीट्यूड कांग्रेस वाले कर रहे हैं.
Supporting the if C.T. Ravi talk against the women, that is one issue. One more that there is no any evidence, the speaker will be take action. That is one thing. Another side, how the police using the government, using the police power, how they made revenge against the City Ravi. Especially DCM Saab, he told today morning, last 6 months back, City Ravi told against the Siddaramaiah, against Rahul Gandhi. So these are shows from last 6-7 months. They joining the dot of the City Ravi against the Congress government statements. So they made like this. They using the police power against City Ravi.
Well, joining us now on this broadcast, my colleague Mohammad Wajiullah. Well, Waji, you were there when the proceedings were happening. Just a quick update, exactly what transpired within the courtroom.
Well, right now the BJP leaders are protesting in Bengaluru, and not just in Bengaluru, but in the entire state. And as you can see, leaders are over here, and Ashwath Narayan is speaking. And as we know what the issue is, but let me just go straight to a BJP leader who's here with me, who's with the Minority Affairs. Sir, first of all, sir, your reaction on what happened last night and how things transpired with City Ravi. आपके उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
ये सिटी रवि जी को जो रात को लेके गया है वो पूरा एकदम बहुत ही बर्बरता है, और ये संविधान की जो कांग्रेस ने बात करती है, संविधान का तार तार किया है इन्होंने। संविधान का कोई एक इज्जत नहीं रखा है, और एक चुनावित प्रतिनिधि को इस तरह अवमानित करके लेके जाना एक बहुत बड़ा कृत्य है। और पूरी रात इनको कम से कम 400 किलोमीटर कहाँ दूसरी जगह पे घुमा के इनको सही रूप से कोई क्यों लाया, किस लिए लाया, कोई जवाब नहीं है इनका। सिर्फ गुंडागिरी सरकार है, कांग्रेस सरकार गुंडागिरी सरकार है।
कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो जो शब्द वो यूज किए थे, जो अलेजेडली प्रोस्टिट्यूट कहते, वो शब्द भी बहुत गलत शब्द है। उसका कैसे
वो शब्द का कहीं उच्चारण भी नहीं हुआ है। उसका सभाध्यक्ष भी बोल रहे कि ये इसका कोई उल्लेख नहीं मिल रहा है, कोई अभी तक कोई उल्लेख नहीं मिल रहा है। ये जबरदस्ती का काम है। कोई एक छोटा इश्यू उठा के, जो अंबेडकर का इश्यू वो बहुत बढ़ रहा है, और इनका यहाँ का बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम है, इसको दबाने के लिए एक किया गया है।
अच्छा, लेकिन विक्टिम भी जो लक्ष्मी हेब्बालकर है, शी इज ऑल्सो सेइंग दैट there was abuse, and the victim itself is saying, then how can you deny it?
So everything is on the record. Victim may go and say anything on the record, but we have all recorded audios. So already speaker has told he has not told anything as such words. So they are manipulating the things, and they have taken our leader who is MLC of the house and leader of the house, and taken him. He has got some stitches in the head. In that situation, they have taken him 400 kilometers here and there. They have not given proper treatment. First, even a common man should get first treatment. Then only first they have to take it to the hospital. Then only they should take it to the jail or anywhere.
So you heard Kabir. These are the voices of the BJP. They believe that the arrest yesterday that happened was unconstitutional. He's a representative of the people, and what happened with him is something that should not have happened, and everything that's transpired right now. Also, the leaders are speaking and venting their aggression and anger with regards to the entire scenario or the fiasco that took place last night, Kabir.
Well, Waji, one more question. What exactly is the argument put forth by the lawyers of CT Ravi, and what was the argument made by the other side within the court? And I'm guessing that around 3 p.m. is the time when the bail application will be heard of CT Ravi.
Well, yes, right now in Belgaum, the session was going on. The leader was present in front of the court. The court heard the entire matter of CT Ravi, where CT Ravi clarified and explained how the arrest happened, how he was made to move around the city, and there was no place where they had taken him, and how he got hurt in this entire fiasco and the commotion and the chaos that happened last night. In the afternoon, after lunch, the judge has given time for the police to give their side of the story. Simultaneously, in Bengaluru, there is another bail petition that has been filed for CT Ravi, which will be heard at 3 p.m. So we'll have to wait and watch how the court reacts to this. But as we speak, the BJP leaders have finished their protest. They have been detained right now. Let me just show you these scenes, dramatic scenes here also. BJP leaders have been detained by the police, and they have been taken inside. Let me just try to go around and see if I can get you some reaction of the BJP leader from the other side. And as you can see, sir, ye nagta ide. Chal, Narayan Swamy sir. Narayan Swamy sir. So you can see these BJP leaders have been taken inside, and let me just try to see if I can get inside the bus for you and get some reaction. Sir, one name show
They have again imposed emergency in Karnataka after 75, when the 75th year they had imposed emergency. Now also they have imposed another emergency in the state. It is against the democracy. They cannot arrest an elected representative like this. So we are going to seize the CM's house. Any MLA, Congress MLA, any function they come, we are going to do a protest against them across the state.
But you are protesting in Freedom Park. It is a site where you are allowed to protest. Why have you been detained?
Because we were going to seize the CM's house, so they have arrested us. But we won't come down or step down. We are going to do our agitation more in the coming days. Definitely, we will see that any Congress MLA, any function, any minister, we are going to do a protest against them in all the functions.
So you heard Mr. Manjunath over here, one of the BJP leaders, MLCs who were arrested and taken by the police. Chaotic scenes here. Ashwath Narayan shouting slogans against the Congress leaders. They have been detained because they were planning to go all the way to the Chief Minister's house to demand why C.T. Ravi has been arrested. And these are the visuals. As you can see, the bus is taking them to the nearest police station where they will be detained because they had plans to go to the Chief Minister's house and do another protest over there. Back to you.
Well, Vaji, do stay on with us. First, we'll play the reaction coming in from DK Shiv Kumar. Then I'll come back to you for more updates.
ಯಾವ ಸೋಮ್ನ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಹೋಗಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಟಿವಿಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾರೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಹೋಗಿ ಏನೋ ಹಿರಿಯರನ್ನ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾನಾಪುರ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಆರೋಪಿನ ಉಗ್ರ ಕಾರಣ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಉಗ್ರ ಕಂಡಿಡ್ದ? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೌಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ನಡತೆನೂ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕಾರಣ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು? ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರು ಯಾರು ಹೋಗಿ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿರೋಧ ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ರೋ ಇಬ್ರೋ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು? ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಂಧಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ, ಏನ್ ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ? ಸದ್ಯ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳಕರ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿ ಕೊಲೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ, ಅವರ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಆದಾಗ, ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈಗ ಇವ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರೆಲ್ಲ? ಅವ್ರ ಲೀಡರ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಆಯ್ತು, ಈ ಕೊಳಕುಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕೊಳಕುಬಾಯಿ ಹೊಸಲ್ಲ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮುಲ್ಲಾ ಖಾನ್, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪದಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನಾನು ಅದು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರವರು ಇಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇಂಥ ಅರಕಲು ಬಾಯಿ.
Well, you just heard the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, DK Shiv Kumar. My colleague Vaji is still with us. Vaji, one of the arguments which have been put forward by Ravi's counsel within the court is that the entire procedure of arresting him was not followed properly. In fact, if incident has happened within the assembly, then permission is also required from the speaker's side.
Well, yes, that is one of the arguments because the entire incident with regards to the unparliamentary word that was used by allegedly used by C.T. Ravi to Lakshmi Hebbalkar was in the assembly. It was in the house, and the speaker is the custodian of the house, and it's the speaker's call on how decision should be taken. And that is why the BJP had put this point also in the court, saying that the arrest itself is unconstitutional because the police does not have the right to enter the house. The marshals are present there, and they would look after the law and order situation. Even the speaker, while giving us a reaction to TV9, also had said that he had heard the matter from both Lakshmi Hebbalkar's side also, and he had heard the matter that was presented by C.T. Ravi's side, and he even heard the audio video, and there was nothing on the record that was recorded. Some of the media channels have it in their cameras, and that is also faintly, it's heard very faintly, and there is no concrete evidence whether this thing was said or not. And despite that, I had called both of them to my chamber, and I told them that try to settle the matter here itself. You do not need to aggravate because there is no evidence. But Lakshmi Hebbalkar was adamant to the fact that she wants to file a complaint, and that is when she went and filed a complaint. When C.T. Ravi walked out of the assembly is when he was arrested by the BJP leaders. What C.T. Ravi also clarified to the judge is that he did not use the word prostitute in the assembly. He went on to say that you are frustrated. That has been misunderstood as allegedly prostitute, and that is where the matter went out of hand, and that is why C.T. Ravi is also adamant with the fact that he did not use any unparliamentary word. But like you mentioned, the entire matter happened in the House. It is the Speaker's prerogative because he is the custodian of the House. He decides what should be done, and he is capable enough to make sure what decision should be taken. And this arrest was done only because a complaint was given by Lakshmi Hebbalkar under BNS 75 and 79, which is again a non-bailable offence. And that is why now that he's been produced in court, we'll have to wait and watch how the judge decides and what does he do. Does he give them a judicial or police custody, or the matter is, or he's given a bail? We'll have to wait and watch.
Well, thank you so much, Wajiullah, for bringing all those updates coming in from the ground. The bail hearing will happen at 3 p.m. today, as the court has maintained the case falls under the jurisdictions of the session courts under Section 75 of the BNS Act. It will be interesting to watch exactly what pans out inside the court. Will court grant C.T. Ravi a bail, or will he be sent for the judicial custody or for the police custody? Well, these are the visuals you have on your screens of the late night protest which C.T. Ravi had carried out along the side of road when he was being transferred from one jail to another.